This type of video is now trending in Asia, so let's make one. Add your clips and music to CapCut. Go to Overlay and add this film burn effect. Go to Blend and apply filter. Zoom it to full screen and adjust it. Add film burn effect to the second transition. Zoom it to full screen and adjust it. Apply fade out to the second clip. Set it to 1.0 second. Select the clip and go to speed. Go to curve. Double tap on montage. Adjust it like this. Make sure the duration is same. Apply smooth slow motion. Select the next clip and go to speed. Go to curve, then flash in. Adjust it like this. Make sure the duration is same. Apply smooth slow motion. On the last clip, apply fade out for 0.7 second. Apply fade in for 0.3 second. Apply fade out to the previous clip for 0.3 second. Now, go to Adjust. Tap on Filters. Apply Vivid 2. Adjust it 45 to 50. Again, go to Filters. Apply for K and adjust it to 10. Again, go to Filters. Apply Hasselblad 2. Once more, go to Filters. Apply Orange Blue from Night Scene. Adjust it 25 to 30. Extend these filters to the end. Now, tap on the clip and go to Adjust. Tap on Graphs. Tap on Red. Adjust it like this. Tap on Apply to All. Export it. Visit description for the result.